Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Zoho backup verification code. So first, we're currently here at Zoho Books and also we're currently logged in our account. Then the next thing you have to do is click on your profile icon that can be found at the top right corner of your screen. The next is just click on My Account. You might be prompted to verify your identity. Just enter in your password. You will then be redirected to accounts.zoho.com. Next, in the left panel, just click on multi-factor authentication. So from here, if you scroll down, you can see here backup verification codes. So for you to be able to get this, you're going to need to first enable MFA or the multi-factor authentication. So from here, we're just going to set up Zoho One Oath. Just click on Set Up Now. So here's how to set up One Oath. So as you can see here, we have now successfully set up Zoho One Oath with our mobile phone. And if you scroll down, you can see here that we can now generate new codes and get backup verification codes. Just click on Generate New Codes. You might also be prompted to verify yourself. You can verify via passkey or your password. And that's how you can easily get backup verification codes on Zoho. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!